Hey everyone, I want to show how easy it is to use Smart Uploads on fuel receipts. I just got back to HQ from the pump and I want to upload my receipt before I forget about it. I open the app, then head to Add Fuel Entry. Then I'm going to submit a Smart Upload. Selecting my vehicle Tacoma. Attach fuel receipt, take a photo. And add the mileage because it's not on my receipt. Great. Now I'm going to pull up that fuel transaction on my computer. Here it is under Smart Uploads. Looks like it's pulled in the vehicle name, the date, time. I typed in the odometer, gallons, and price. And I'll fill in the gaps where I didn't have enough information to complete. Done. By getting all of your fuel data into Fleetio, you're not just storing up transactions in isolation. You're building a complete picture of operating costs. So fuel becomes a part of the total cost of ownership per vehicle, a driver of cost per mile calculations, and it highlights inefficiencies like poor miles per gallon, excess idling, and catches potential fuel misuse. Hope this gives you more confidence into uploading fuel transactions with Smart Uploads. Have a good one.